Welcome guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Microsoft Excel document, and then you will get started with Microsoft Excel. You'll be good to go. So first create a folder where we will save your work. Then you open your Microsoft Excel software. This is a worksheet. Then each particular box in here is a cell. Call each particular box in here a cell. So let me try to put in a few details in here. Name, class, age, then max, and total. So name, let me say, and L, class 1, class 4, class 2, age 12, this is 16, 13, max 16, 52, 79. So we can give our worksheet, the details in our worksheet, a border by highlighting what we have written, and then look for borders, and then press all borders. So that's how it will look like. Can build in our head titles to make them a bit different from the other details. Can create another row in up there. How do we make it the main heading? By highlighting the rows, then press merge and center. This will remove the other cells and make it one particular cell. So I can put my heading here like schoolwork, then press Ctrl A to highlight everything in that cell, and press Ctrl B to bolden it, and Ctrl U to underline it. Can increase its size, and that's what it will look like. So provide borders for it, all borders. Yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now for total, we have what we call functions, and an example of a function for total, it's sum equals to sum, bracket, press on one cell which has a number, and you can get the total by dragging from one cell to another, like age and max, close brackets, and then press enter. This is like an error code. The formula in this cell refers to the range that has been addition numbers adjacent to it. So this is okay, we are good to go. So let me first take this back. You can get totals by clicking on this right down corner of the cell. This plus comes, you press on it and then drag downwards, so you'll be able to get the total for the other columns and rows. So that's it. There are more functions and formulas So examples are here: sum, average, count, max, minimum. And to get a formula can be personal made. Like if I want to get sum, I can press equals, press on one cell, put the additional sign, and then press the other cell, close the bracket. So we'll be able to get that other number for sum, and they are the same numbers, so it is the same thing. And for addition, that's it. Addition is sum. For subtraction, you can press equals, this minus that. That's for subtraction. You can check from the formula bar. Then for multiplication, you can press equals 4 star 16, and that's it. For division, press equals, click in one cell, put a bar, /bar, click on another cell, and then press enter. So this is what you get. So hope you guys had fun in this video. Hope to see you in another video as we get going with Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching. See you.